The history of Maynard starts with water. Amory Maynard built the Assabet Mills to take advantage of water power from the Assabet River. The power of the rushing water drove the mill machinery. Electricity was not yet available, and steam power would have been too costly. He then created the town by taking land from both Sudbury and Stowe. Today, the river still runs through the middle of town, but Amory's mill has long since closed. The buildings are now repurposed for new businesses. These days, the residents of Maynard have a completely new relationship with water.
This is crazy. Hey, hon, can you come over here and look at this water bill?
What's up?
Look at how much they're charging us right here.
Oh,
I guess we gotta start taking shorter showers.
I'm thinking we could have a series of videos about how to save water.
We can make it educational so kids can get something out of it.
Okay. Like they call that STEM these days, right? It's science, technology, engineering, and math.
I think nowadays art is included to make STEAM.
Okay. But the history of waterworks goes back for centuries. I think we should say something about the history, too.
Okay.
Let's see, where do we put that? Maybe right after the S, after science?
So that makes STEAM.
STEAM? Maybe not.
Probably not.
Saving Water in Maynard, a new series from Open Eyes Video, based on STEAM, or whatever you want to call it.